probably 90% of the time. And I suck at intros. So, I spent a good amount of time filming a fucking intro for this. Obviously the clip you just saw fucking before I filmed, and then I filmed like 2 different other parts to that intro right afterwards, and for whatever fucking reason, I don't even know what happened, but I can't even play them, I can't even listen to them. They're just corrupted, which makes absolutely no effing sense because I do everything off my phone, so it should just all freaking work. But I played around with the Jade Beauty Bay palette. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous. 42 effing shades. Tons of mattes, tons of shimmers. I'm pretty sure this one's slightly a duochrome. And it's just amazing. So if you want to see the shit show that is this video, that is these eyeshadow looks, even though I love them, keep watching. Okay, I think I'm going to start with the color intention. Just put that all over the lid so I can have a good basic base, and then hopefully in the middle of me doing that I can figure out what the hell I'm gonna do. So I think I'm gonna go in with these pinks. I think I'm gonna do 2 different eyes, but because I'm really liking these pinks and these purples, and I really want to do something with that, so I think that's gonna be an eye, and I'll figure out something else. Now I'm gonna go in with retrograde, put that over that. Also, I'm sorry about this person right here. I don't know why. They always show up there. And I just frankly do not know frickin' why. Now I'm gonna go in with a bit of this color Serenity. It's like a really nice, vibrant mint green. I'm gonna put that all over the eyelid. I have a job interview this upcoming week, and I'm nervous as hell. I'm really nervous, and I haven't been this nervous in so long. But I think it's because it's like the one place that I like really want to work at here. I'm gonna take a little bit of this color Rose Quartz, and I'm gonna put that over the mint. I'm gonna take a little bit of this cobalt blue, and I'm gonna put it on my under eye. I'm also gonna take a little bit of this bright babyish pastelish blue, put that in the under eye too. So I have this liquid liner pen from ColourPop that is a blue-green gradient. So just because I'm feeling fun, I'm just gonna try my little heart out to do eyeliner because I don't know how to do it. Now that I have this eye down, we're gonna go into the other one. We're gonna start with this color. It's purple, Soulmate, and put it in here. Maybe a little bit of this lavender. Holy freaking schmoly is my like ability to frickin' talk today. Just fucking bad. Ugh. This is what I'm nervous about, because sometimes it gets really bad. And I'm scared that it's gonna get really bad in my interview. Because that would be, you know, just my frickin' luck. I also need to work on my posture, because I don't think. I know that I have the frickin' posture of a shrimp. Now I'm gonna go in with this bright neon green 2222, put that all over the lid, and then I'll put a little bit of this shade Sand Dancer on top of that. Like I said, I'm gonna put a little bit of this Sand Dancer shade on top of that.
Okay, whoever's freaking annoying ass stupid little bitch of a car is like running its ass up right outside my house. Fuck off.
I'm gonna go in for the under eye area with this bright orange Dawn shade, and maybe a little bit of Space Jam too. This is gonna be my Scooby-Doo eye. So I forgot to do the inner corner on this eye, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this white with a pink undertone, sparkle, duochrome, whatever the hell you want to call it, shade Milky Way, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. The inner corner on this side, I'm gonna go in with this blue shimmer called Crystal Clear. Really going with the whole Scooby-Doo theme on this side. I don't even care if any of the shades go together, if they don't, if it looks good. If it doesn't, because I don't care right now. I have this ColourPop brow pen, and instead of using it for my brows, I'm gonna see if I can try and do an eyeliner on this side. I love this. I love this so freaking much. I love this palette. And I'm excited to play around with it when I don't feel so sad. But thank you for watching this video. I know it was a shit show, but thank you.